What's up, ladies and gentlemen? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about LBRY / Odysee and why I believe it's a great alternative to YouTube.
What is Odysee, and why did LBRY make it?
It provides a home for all videos, a place where they can live forever.
That is right. All 13 years, over 1,700 videos are now completely backed up and preserved.
Man, there's so much great content on there. It reminds me of YouTube like 10 years ago.
Decentralization and personal control and choice.
It gives everyone a chance to see everything.
Like really great stuff. I almost forgot there was great stuff because you could never get it on YouTube anymore.
Now, I've tried several video streaming platforms like BitChute, D2, I even have a WeTube channel, and several others, and I haven't really been excited about these ones. Some of them, like the WeTube, I do kind of like, but these other ones, I don't know, I always had some kind of issue uploading videos or understanding the monetization process. So this one's a little more simple. Now, keep in mind, I'm really new at this one. I just started to upload my YouTube channel, which I will show you guys right here. You can actually upload your videos that you have on YouTube if you're a content creator. Starting off, we're gonna go to LBRY.com. This is where you're gonna be able to download either the app or just visit the domain. So the domain right here is Odysee.com. I already have it loaded right here. So as you can see, it pretty much looks like YouTube. And right here we have the app. If you download the app, right here, and there you go. I'm just gonna watch a video, GTA 5 video. So why would you want to join LBRY? Well, if you're interested in hearing people's opinions of certain topics you're not allowed to talk about, you come here. Because on YouTube, they're censoring a lot of stuff. There are several topics where you cannot discuss it or even mention it without getting demonetized, your videos removed, and sometimes pretty much your channel deleted. So here you will be able to find some of these artists that have been, either they're limiting themselves on YouTube and speaking more open-mindedly over here, or pretty much have been deleted and have had to migrate to several other of these platforms. But specifically this one, I really like what they're doing. So another great thing about this is you'll be able to earn cryptocurrency and reward some of your favorite creators with cryptocurrency. For the most part, you don't really need to download the app. We're going to be looking at the website, so get your favorite browser, Brave. So right here, it looks fairly similar to YouTube. Let's go to tech. So this is what's trending in Odysee today, February 2nd, actually March 2nd, 2021. And let's say I like this guy, his video.
Welcome back to another tablet review. This time around, it is Chew's HiPad Plus.
I can send some crypto to him. Now I'm going to show you guys how, as a content creator, you can start making some crypto with Odysee. So right here, I was able to upload my YouTube channel. Right here, 92 uploads. So if I go right here, I have migrated my videos on YouTube onto this platform right here. Now if you want to start a new channel, now I did start a new channel and I was going to upload my YouTube videos here, but I didn't realize that there was an easier form to actually do this. So I'll show you that next. But if you want to just start a new video, a new channel, here you just go new channel and you can start fresh new channel. But if you already have a channel on YouTube, you can come up here and sync YouTube channel. So we're going to go through the process. I do have another YouTube channel I want to try to see if I can upload here. So as you can see, my UGR channel on YouTube is completed transfer, but I'm going to add a new one, another one. So this is going to be from the ground up. I want to sync my contents to Odysee and the LBRY network and agree to the terms and services. Claim now. So you have to sign up to your Google account. Pick the YouTube channel you want to upload. Allow. So as you can see now, I'm syncing from the ground up. That has 9 videos and 21 subscribers. So this took about 2 hours to get all my videos uploaded, and I also think I haven't finished the whole sign-up process yet. Now this one's probably gonna take hopefully less than an hour. So yeah, so now you can have an alternative place where you can actually create new content where you might be censored on YouTube, or just are interested in monetizing your content in a different way and earn cryptocurrency. Now I'm going to update you guys in the future of how this is all going. Now with YouTube, I've been able to get every month a little bit of money into my bank account. I'm hoping I can do the same here, but I know I'm dealing with cryptocurrency, so I do have to figure it out. So I hope I do make some crypto and be able to change it, and I'll show you how the whole process goes if I am successful. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so that is it for today's video. Check out Odysee, especially if you're a content creator. You can start now making cryptocurrency with your videos. So right before I was going to upload this video, I got an email from LBRY. Basically, the channel is trying to sync isn't eligible, so they're telling me I need more recent and regular content. I need 300 subs required, and obviously it has to be original and quality content. So these are things you're gonna definitely need to have before you can have your channel synced.